Hey guys, reviewing trades for today, January 14th. Today was a gap up day in the market. However, the market gapped up into the 65-minute resistance area, so I didn't think that it would hold. If you see here, like on the higher time frames, it has broken um, this area, this pivotal area, and it's looking like it's going to go lower. On the 65-minute, it had gapped in into the 65-minute support, extended into it, so I thought that there would be a reversal right here. So today I did a few trades and I netted 3.5k. The first one was Apple. um, Even though the market was looking choppy today, Apple had this kind of consolidation, looking like it wanted to go higher. On the 5 minute, it respected the 5 minute support and closed above it. So I got into puts right here and I had my stop right here. And it sadly just ticked me out before going higher and hitting my 30 cents target. So that's why I had minus 234. On Meta, I was really, I had a really um, short bias on Meta today, seeing how it's been weaker than the market. While the market gapped up, this one gapped down, and it started consolidating under here. I got in right here as it came up into the 5 minute, thinking I was going to reject and go lower. However, it went higher instead. I added here, and as it came down all the way down here, I got out. So I got out for a plus 1.578 area. I actually got out of half here and then half down here. I was short Microsoft today, and this one almost triggered me out. My bias on Microsoft was that it had a failure to stay above the 5 minute. It had a failure to go higher and close below the 9 minute EMA. And then it had this topping tail. So as it took out here, I actually got in a little bit early. I should have gotten in around here instead. I got in here, and at first it looked good, but then it started trading above. I added when it touched the VWAP, and I said, okay, if it closes and starts going higher, I have to get out. However, it came down, and I got out for my 30 cents on double the contracts. I was in Nvidia today as a call scalp, kind of an extension. We did it with the group. The group was in a little bit before. However, I got in right here, and then it came up, almost gave me 30 cents, and then it started to trend lower instead, respecting the 5 minute 9 EMA. So I got out right here for approximately break even. I did 3 trades on Tesla today, and those 3 trades were all short scalps. Tesla had a good move up, and as it came into the VWAP, it didn't bounce as it was supposed to. So when it closed below, I saw a little topping tail trying to get over, and then it closed below. So I got into puts right here, thinking, okay, well, if it closes over the VWAP, then it's bearish again. And I wrote it down, not all the way to the 5 minute, but to this blue line right here, and it gave me a nice profit. Then again, as it came up and closed below, I said, all right, then this looks lower and it's gonna come down into the 5 minutes. While this was a small scalp, and then finally over here, as it did a green bar and it failed to actually go higher, instead came down. I said, all right, now this isn't bearish anymore. It's under the 5 minute. So I got into puts right here. And as it came down into the gap fill right here, I got out. And that was the majority of the profit. Lastly, I did TSM continuation play. As you see here, TSM had this green bar at an area of support. However, it was really close to the 5 minute that was trending downward, and it took it out. So over here, I got into puts saying that okay, if it wanted to go higher, it would have gone higher, but it didn't. So instead, it went lower, and I got out for 30 cents about right here. So those were my trades for today. All in all, 3.5k. As per my plan, now that my account has reached 3.5 35k, I'm gonna increase the risk to 4 contracts. So from tomorrow, the normal scalps would be $150, and then whatever these other scalps are, I will it would be with 5 contracts and 10 contracts. However, if it goes below 3.5k, I'll go back to 4 again. So we will see how this one goes. Thank you. Have a good day.